above ground pool plate. The bottom of the pool plate broke a little piece off where the track slides in beside it. I'm not sure what I should do. Should I get it welded, or could I just use a little anchor in its place?
Well, the best thing to do would be to get it welded. However, most people aren't likely to weld it because it's probably a galvanized plate, and when you weld galvanizing together, it gives off a really bad chemical reaction, fumes that welders don't like to deal with. Welding would probably be stronger, but if not, whatever that little piece or bracket looks like, it's likely you could use some type of an angle bracket that you could drill a hole through and screw to the plate, and then screw to whatever it's connecting to in that rail that runs around the pool.